All right. Section 7 of Chapter 1 is another section that you want to pay attention to, but not stress out over and don't memorize. So we see here on the right-hand side that we have our three letters that are double consonants. And remember, we just covered them, so there shouldn't be too much work to remember. But here we have the psi, here we have the zeta, and here we have the xi, right? The xi. And remember the ps, z, and x all have that sigma. Let's make it a final sigma since it's on the letter there, or the sigma hidden in them. We call those double consonants. And those are formed when the sigma is added to the following classification of consonants. So labials are simply, and again, don't memorize this, but labials are letters like p, b, and f. And if you just make those letters with your mouth and pay attention, you realize you have to use your lips, your labials, to form those letters, p, b, and f. So whenever a labial consonant, a p, a b, or a p, a beta, or a phi, have a sigma that gets attached to them, they form the psi. The tau, the delta, and the theta, notice you make those with your teeth or your dentals. T, d, and th. And when those happen, you'll get, when you happen to be added or have a sigma added to them, they are formed into a zeta. They are switched into a double consonant named zeta. And the same thing with your palatals. Palatals refers to the back of your mouth, your throat area, beginning of your throat area, and k, g, and ch. And you can hear how k, g, and ch are formed by the air hitting the back of your mouth or the beginning of your throat area, the palatal area, and those will form the ks. And you could see that with the kappa and the sigma. If I write a kappa here and add a sigma to that, it's ks. If I have g, and if you say that fast enough, gs, gs, ks, 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 and it just becomes a c. And the same thing with the chi. So there you have it, double consonants. And remember, just keep those in mind. It will come back. We will memorize this if you memorize it just by using it. And again, the key is, and I know you know what I'm going to say here, just keep moving forward.